guys, it's your girl Lily and I'm back with another video. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Okay, so I know as you read by the title, I'm going to be doing an eyelash tutorial. I know how to do individual eyelashes, but for this particular tutorial, I'm just doing eyelash strips. Now, I know a lot of people, they already know how to do strips because it's so simple, but this video is for the ones who don't know how to do them. So all you need is some eyelashes, a tweezer, and some glue. So the eyelashes I have are by Cara Collection. And then I know some companies have like names, but this one just has numbers. It's number 512. And again, it's the Cara Collection. So those are just some mink strips. And then these are tweezers. I don't know what kind they are with this. I don't know if it's the eyelash tweezer. There is a specific name for it, but I can't think of it right now. But these are the ones I use for strip lashes. And then I have hair bonding glue. I know this is for quick weaves or weave in general, but I use this for my lashes. I know you're not supposed to use it. However, I've been using it for years and I never had any type of reaction or anything, but they do have specific eyelash adhesive. So if you want to be extra and technical, then you can go to the beauty supply store, buy that, and use it for your lashes. But me and mine, I'm just going to use the hair bonding glue because that's what I got. And again, like I said, I never had any type of reactions or anything. My lips are a little crusty, so I'm going to put some lip chap on. I don't want y'all talking about me in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I got to try to get them out of here first. Oh, okay, it wasn't that bad. Oh, they got a little silver background. It's cute. Okay. That is so cute to me, y'all. Can y'all see that? It's sparkly. It's cute. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the lashes on. So the first thing you do, you just remove them slowly. I remove them with the tweezers because when I do it with my fingers, sometimes it kind of pulls the lash band out of whack a little bit. So I'm going to just remove it with the tweezers slowly. Just like that. Then I'm going to just set it right back down like that. And then the other one, I'm going to go ahead and remove it slowly. Okay, and set it down. Okay, y'all, so I have the tweezers in the center of the lash, and then I have it close to the band of the lash, but not too close, because you don't want to get glue on the tweezers, because then it won't stick to your face. It'll stick to the tweezer. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the band, and I do it, of course, on the back side of the lash. So I don't do it real thick, but I do it thick enough so that it'll stay throughout the day. I don't want it lifting up at all. Okay, so this is how it looks with the glue on it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay. Yeah, so and I'm ambidextrous, so I use both hands. So for my left lash, I'm going to apply it with my left hand. And then for my right lash, I'm going to apply it with my right hand. Okay. So I let it cool for a couple minutes, you know, not a couple minutes, but a couple seconds, probably like 15 to 20 seconds, just until the glue gets a little like tacky, because you don't want to put it on when it's wet because it might drip down into your eye. Then you got to go to the hospital. Nobody wants to do that. So you're going to let it dry for a little bit, just a few seconds. You can blow it or you can just let it air dry. I normally just let it air dry because I got time. Yeah, so you can touch it to see if it's tacky, or you can continue to wait, you know, whatever you want to do. Let me see. I can kind of see it looks a little darker when it's drying. When you first put it on, it's like a light gray, as you kind of see, but it's completely black once it starts to dry and get that tacky look. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Let me get a close up for y'all. Sorry, this is my little mirror. Okay. So you see me blinking. I'm gonna do this the whole time, but I'm gonna get it on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit on both corners, and then there it is. So that's the first one applied, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second one. So you can see I'm getting it out of here. Put the glue on here. It's really simple. You just gotta have, it's too much. You just gotta have a steady hand. And then even if your eye blink, you can still get it if you're comfortable with the way it's blinking. And you also need to be comfortable with putting something close to your eye. Because it does, it's just like, it's your nerves. It's your ultimate reaction when something gets close to your eye. You're not used to things being close to your eyes. Unless you wear glasses, then you're probably really comfortable. But anyway, okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the second one. And as I said earlier, I'm going to apply the second one with my right hand because I'm weird. Okay, so let me get closer for you guys. I'm looking at my little mirror. Okay, so I'm going to pull it down. Tilt it inward. And I'm going to drop it down. Then I go through and I adjust the corners to put them closer to my natural lash line. And then I do the inside corner as well. This one is a little low. Okay, let me see. Okay guys, that's the second one. So it's really that simple. You just have to get comfortable with your hands being close to your eyes. And then you see I got a little glue up there, but you can always go in after you're done and clean that up later. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I was helpful to some of you. As you guys watch my channel more, you'll get more familiar and comfortable with how I am. So peace.